how to delete a game pass in Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete game passes so that they no longer show up in games like Please Donate, Adopt Me, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser, navigate to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you get logged in, go up into the top menu, select Create. And then once you select Create, scroll down and you just want to find your experiences here. Now, if you have multiple experiences, find the public one, hover over it and select Manage Experiences. From here, in this left menu, scroll down, find Monetization, and then select Passes. You'll then see a list of all the game passes you've created. To delete any of them, just simply select the game pass. Once the game pass is selected, go in the left menu and select Sales, and then toggle off that item for sale. Select Save, and now we can go and select Back to Passes in the top left menu. And you can see that that game pass is now listed off sale. So we have now deleted that game pass from any games that we play in Roblox. That game pass will no longer show up and be visible in those games. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.